Hello students, this is Dr. Kinnariben. Welcome to all students to Vivekanand Vanijya Mahavidyalay. I would like to welcome all semester 1 students who had successfully got admission in English medium in our Vivekanand Vanijya Mahavidyalay. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are not able to conduct any physical class for semester 1. The alternate option is audio video lectures which will be provided by college authorities in various channels. I would like to share the total papers which have been there in semester 1. In semester 1, there are total main or we can say core 5 papers. These core 5 papers are in nature of compulsory papers. That means you have to compulsory give exams of these papers. 2 papers are in nature of subsidiary papers. That means in whichever group you are allotted by the university, Gujarat University, for the admission in Vivekanand Vanijya Mahavidyalay, you have to study those 2 papers in elective nature. Now there is one question among you that which one of my subject group. On admission receipt, the group in which you are allotted the seat by the Gujarat University is mentioned. Suppose if you have accounts and computers, then your main subject is account and subsidiary subject is computer. Suppose some of the students have computer and accounts, then main subject is computer and subsidiary is account. There are total 4 groups in Vivekanand Vanijya Mahavidyalay. The 4 groups are accounts and computer, computer and accounts, accounts and statistics and computers. These are the 4 groups. Apart from these 4 groups, there are 2 compulsory subjects. Those subjects are in nature of multidisciplinary. All the students have to give exams for these 2 subjects at a college level, soft skill and foundation. Now, while talking about the 5 core subjects, let me introduce the subjects to you guys. First paper is English, main English. The second one is commercial communication. Third one is accountancy 1. Fourth one is human resource management, that is HRM. And fifth one is financial accounting 1. These 5 subjects you have to compulsory study apart from or irrespective of any group. Computers and statistics, those 2 are in nature of elective. And 2 subjects are soft skill and foundation. So there are total 9 papers you are going to study in semester 1. While talking about the papers, all the papers will be taken by different faculties. Myself, Dr. Kinnariben, will be handling your accounting subjects. There are commerce subjects, we use the right term or appropriate term. In commerce, you are going to study accountancy 1, financial accounting 1 and HRM. HRM will be handled by Dr. Mittalben Bhadaria. The accountancy 1 will be studied by me. Financial accounting 1 will be handled by two faculties simultaneously, and there will be different faculties for different subjects for CC, that is commercial communication, and English, main English. As per the university guidelines, there are 100 marks for each paper. 30 marks will be internal evaluation and 70 marks will be university paper. In 30 marks, the bifurcation is like 10 marks for internal examination, 10 marks for assignment, and 10 marks for presentation. While in 70 marks for the university papers, there will be 4 units in each subject, and each unit will be consist 25% weightage of total marks of any paper. That means any paper will be asked for 70 marks have 14 marks questions or 18 marks questions for every unit in their syllabus. Due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, we are not able to conduct any physical classrooms in foreseeing future. Till now, you guys have to learn these subjects via online mode. The lecture right now I am conducting is just introductory in nature. You are not going to study any concepts or any subjects in this lecture. Now, how we will cover our syllabus of these all 9 papers will be informed you through various notifications on your registered mobile number. I had already introduced you all 9 papers you are going to study in this semester. Due to this situation, we are not able to conduct any regular academic activities including examinations. Whatever the arrangements will be there for internal evaluation will be notified to you on your registered mobile numbers. While talking about the syllabus, my subject is accountancy 1. The whole subject, the whole paper will be covered by me. Now, while talking about this subject, I would like to share that there are 4 units in our subject. Each unit will consist 25% of syllabus. The name of these 4 units is Unit 1, Consignment Accounting, Unit 2, Joint Venture Accounting, Unit 3, Branch Accounting, Unit 4, Computerized Accounting. First of all, I would like to share with you that this paper, that is Accountancy 1, the subject code is CC201, is whole CC103 practical chapter. You will be asked theory but for 5 to 10 marks. I would like to repeat the chapter's name: Unit 1, Consignment; Unit 2, Branch Accounts; Unit 3, Insurance Claims; and Unit 4, Accounts from Incomplete Records. If we are going to study these chapters, they are in old syllabus. The syllabus had been revised in year 2018. One of the chapter had been removed by the university. Instead of single entry or incomplete records, we are going to study computerized account. consignment, branch, insurance, and computerized accounting. Now we will take we will study each of the chapter one by one. In each chapter there will be 14 mark compulsory sum. Computerized accounting is whole theory, so there will be uh, only theoretical questions in your examination. 14 mark questions, either the bifurcation will be 7 4 or 3 or 7 or 7, we don't know, but generally the pattern for theory chapter is 7 4 3, 7 marks, 3 4 marks and 3 marks, or two questions for each of them for 7 marks. For consignment and other consignment and joint venture and insurance claims, there branch accounts, there will be 7 marks 14 mark sums from each of them, and 4 mark to 5 marks either theory or MCQ. One more thing, 5 marks to 4 marks MCQs, that is multiple choice questions, has been asked uh, from each chapter in last university examinations. Our subject is whole practical subjects except one chapter, so there will be lot of confusion in you that how we will able to learn this subject without any blackboard work. So I would like to share that don't worry, we will learn these chapters which are in nature of practical through PDF form, through audio video lectures. I would suggest students that whenever you are study any subject or any sum from audio video lecture of mine, please take the copy of that sum and please keep calculator with you. Any queries, just ask in that comment box. So there will be no any hurdles in learning these practical chapters via online. Some of you had taken the admission in English medium, but you are not in English medium throughout grade 12th or 12th, class 12th. Some of you would be from vernacular medium such as Hindi medium, Gujarati medium, or any other regional languages. This is introductory lecture. I understand that you guys cannot comfortable or may not be comfortable with the language of English that much, but I would like to assure that whenever we are going to study any of these subjects from any faculties, there will be cooperative in nature while studying, while teaching those subjects. Apart from syllabus, I would like to share one of the important aspect of academic point of view, that if whenever any assignments has been assigned to you from any college authorities and faculties, please submit those assignments in proper manner within timeline to the college or whatever concerned faculties, because those assignments will be considered for internal evaluation of 30 marks of any syllabus or paper. In any subjects, you have to meet many assignments topics which have to be given by concerned faculties. You have to complete those assignments within timeline. There are so many different books available in the markets for each of the subject. If I'm talking about my subject, that is accountancy 1, in accountancy 1 we are going to follow the book published by Sudhir Prakashan. In English medium it will be Sudhir Prakashan. The same will be available if in Gujarati version the name of the publication will be B.S. Shah. In Sudhir Prakashan, if you are not able to get any copy of the Sudhir Prakashan book for the subject of accountancy 1, either in a market or in our library, because the college will not be open for the students due to government guidelines in this pandemic situations, I would like to suggest that please download all Gujarat University papers from Real Sir or Real Guru, Genius Guruji. There are so many websites. If you just suffer the web, you are able to find the papers, Gujarat University papers, and just download them in PDF format. I will start any chapter from our subject, that is accountancy 1, and we will just calculate the sum which has been asked in Gujarat University. Because of that you are able to know what types of sums and what types of adjustments have been there in university papers. So there will be no need the book. If any of the students is not able to receive the book or get the book, they can download the Gujarat University papers from these websites. One of the website called Genius Guruji or Real Sir. You can also download the papers from Gujarat University website itself. But the websites I mentioned earlier, you can find those papers from 2013 to 2019 in subject wise. In that case you are just able to download the papers not only for accountancy subject but also for other subjects. There will be assignment from my side, from my subject, will be shared with you at the completion of the course. Further, I would like to throw light on my subject, that is accountancy 1. In accountancy 1, most probably I will start from the chapter 1, that is consignment accounting. The name is new, the chapter is new. You had not studied in your 12th this types of accounting. I would like to share some of the concept of consignment accounting. Now, what is a consignment, first of all? And what is a consignment accounting? First of all, consignment is an act of selling your goods in another city without establishing a permanent shop. What I had said, it is an act or an attempt to sell your goods in another city. Another city, that means you are just have a shop in Ahmedabad, but you want to sell your goods in another city like Rajkot, Baroda, Surat, or Bombay, we can say, or Delhi, but you don't have any capital to rent a office or to buy a shop. So what you are going to do, you will contact any local seller from those city which I mentioned earlier, that is Surat, Baroda, whatever, Rajkot, and you just consigned your goods to those sellers who are locally popular without investing any capital in fixed assets. Here the fixed assets are shops fine, or location of your office. So you just consigned, or you just courier, or you just transport your goods or services to another seller which are popularly known in another city without any investment in fixed assets. Now that another seller is not your partner, because you had already studied partnership accounts in your 12th. Those sellers is just consignee. You are the principal, consigner, the owner of the goods. The another seller who received your goods will receive in nature of consignee. He is not owner. He is just acts as an agent of your goods. He will sold your goods. He will sell your goods as per your instructions. Whatever the profit will be generated from those sales will immediately or will transfer within timeline to you, the seller, the another seller who will receive the goods in capacity of consignee and sell those goods as per your instruction in another city will receive commission for this services. So here the main owner will expand his business without any fixed investments or without any further capital investments, because goods are a current assets stock, right? So either you sell stock in your city or in another city, that will be the same. So the consignment account is one kind of a account. We can say it is a nominal account. It is a mixture of trading and profit and loss account. In trading account, whatever the incoming of goods are there, you will write on debit side. So here, whatever you send your goods on consignment to another city, it is an entry of goods in consignment business. So you will write on debit side, and whatever sale there will be, you write on credit side. Further, you are not going to prepare any balance sheet. So whatever the balances are there for current assets as well as current liabilities, because you are not going to invest in fixed assets, or you are not collecting any long term funds. So there will be no long term liabilities and long term assets. So whatever the balances are there for current assets and current liabilities, you will mention either on credit side or debit side. So this is the general idea of consignment account. So consignment account are in nature of nominal account. You have to prepare 3 accounts for 14 mark sums in your examination. One is a consignment account. Fine. It is a mixture of profit and loss account as well as balance sheet as well as trading account. Second, there will be goods sent to consignment account. It is a 2-liner account. The balance would be transferred to trading account. And third one is a consignee's account. Now consignee account is like a debtors and creditors account, is a person's account. So it is a debtors, it is in nature of debtors account, because you will send the goods to the consignee, and you are going to receive, you are supposed to receive any kind of cash or goods from consignee himself after the time of the consignment business had completed. So these 3 accounts you are going to prepare. We will see this sums in a practical nature. In that sums you will get more ideas. Further, in consignment account in Gujarat University, there are only 11 transactions. You are not going to study whole transactions, only 11 entries, journal entries. If you are able to remember, you are you will be able to grasp whole chapter. So I had just briefly give the idea about the consignment accounting in chapter. This is the chapter 1 of the subject of accountancy 1. You will receive more audio video lectures or audio lectures from various faculties through college authorities. Any questions, just ask in the chat section in whatever channel the lectures had been delivered to you. We will complete our course before the internal examinations. So this is just an introductory lecture. Again, I welcome all the students. Best of luck for this 3 years graduation course. I wish every students great success, and I wish every students will pass with brilliant grade marks from in our college and complete their graduation successfully from our college. Thank you.